Try and open your mouth like that and just say it very relaxed. Ah.
Ah.
Okay, now I want you to go from one to the other. Oh.
Oh.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Time.
When you say t in Polish, do you find that you touch your teeth?
Ta ta. Yeah, I touch my teeth.
Move your tongue just slightly back, just exactly behind your teeth. Say for me, t-t-ta.
Ta ta ta. Time.
Touching the teeth or not touching the teeth?
Touching the teeth. Ta ta.
Beautiful. So in English, you don't touch the teeth. Try one more time.
Time.
Perfect.
No. Don't. No. Don't. Don't.
Would you say for me the word love?
Love.
See, actually, we don't want you to say love, because that's like a B. We want love.
Love.
Did you notice that you're saying at the end instead of
Love. Love.
Good.
The schwa is the most common vowel sound in English.
Bacon, picture, commit, alive, jumper.